Here I am at the Dollar General store on the corner where I live. So my older brother wants me to pick out microwaves, and they got a lot. So this is the fridge, freezer, whatever. Alright, so damn, that's so hot for this. Country fried chicken. I'm gonna get this. Damn, everything is expensive. Damn. Oh my god, oh my god, that looks so good. What is that? Berry cheesecake. Oh, what they got? They got chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. As you can see, whipped cream. Sausage strudel. Pizza, my favorite. Anyways, I cannot use the oven because it broke. But we can still heat up pizza on the pan, on the stove instead of oven. Alright, sausage. Hot Pockets, right? Hot Pockets, okay, this is cheap. Alright, Alright, cheesy chicken and rice bowl. I think this is it. I only have 20, so. And this is the one that keeps dairy stuff. Dairy. Alright, see you guys.